The third activity is identifying numbers on the number line, but not the number spun, the number that comes after. Students need to be fluent with activity 2, locating the numbers, before they move on to this activity. I have Karis here with me.
Hello.
And she's going to go first. So can you spin? Good. And point to not this number, but the number that's 1 after.
The number after 12 is 13.
And I will check by picking up the 13 block. Yes, you were correct. And then you write that number on your scoreboard. Now it's my turn. And I spin and say the number after 11 is 12. Karis is going to check.
You're correct.
Good. Because you got the greater score, Karis won that round.
Yay.
Now it's your turn.